Oh, I'm gonna say it. Nothing says I love you quite like a warm, gooey cinnamon roll drizzled with sweet icing, especially if it's in the shape of a heart, which these are. Heidi VanValkenburg from Rhodes Bacon Serve is here with the recipe. So I'll ask a question I know the answer to. Should this be our Valentine's Day breakfast? I mean, what? Yes?
I don't know. How fast do you want those children running around to school that day? Because it's a school day this year.
Listen, that's the teacher's problem.
Okay.
Once they leave my house, that's just the teacher's problem.
All right, I won't have the guilt then, because when I saw in there that you said breakfast, I'm like, oh dear.
Okay, maybe a treat.
What is going to happen? I don't know. You can do whatever
maybe
you
a treat,
want.
depending on the day. But what Rhodes rolls are we using for this?
So for these ones right here, the heart-shaped cinnamon rolls, we've used our cinnamon rolls, okay? Which makes sense. But you can use the traditional or you can use the anytime. So if you want to shape them with the anytime and just get them right in the oven, frost them, step aside sugar cookies, okay, here we go. You can use the anytime. I prefer to use the traditional that you let rise. So that's the difference there.
How are you shaping these?
So, do you want to help?
Yeah, I do.
gave you scissors.
Oh,
I gave you your own.
Thank you.
Okay, and we can share the pan.
These are frozen.
These are, well, no, they're thawed out enough that they're cold still.
Okay.
Because we want to be able to shape them. So the only reason you need scissors, if you can see that little tail right there, if you need to clip it just to pull it apart just a little bit, so that it will just unwind like this.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then just unwind it, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take these ends, each one.
Why do I feel panicked? The cinnamon filling is exposed.
Don't panic.
Okay,
Well, it is exposed, but it's okay.
Okay.
And then I just shape it in, and then I just push the bottom together to make the heart. And that's all there is to it.
Okay.
And so it's really easy to do. See, you did it.
Well,
here, I have
my heart looks like it's on vacation. Okay.
Here, I don't want you to have to walk around with.
Hold on.
Okay, well, when you're done adjusting. So that's all you're going to do with it, and pull those apart, and you can line them up on your cookie sheet, and then cover it with plastic wrap that's been sprayed. Let them rise, and with the traditional, we want to let them rise double in size.
Okay.
And then we're going to bake them. 350, they take about 10 to 12 minutes.
Yes.
Okay. This is the finished product right here, so let's move over.
Okay.
Okay, now all of our packaging comes with these little bags of the frosting. Okay. So there's one for you.
Thank you.
There's your scissors again. And what we're gonna do is, if you want the pink, you know, put this in another Ziploc, put your pink food coloring, and you can get
I like the vibrant pink. You went for like neon with those.
That's fun. I know. I was like a little out there, okay. And then just clip it. If you can see, there's kind of a point.
Oh, did I already mess it up?
You did. But that's okay. So we'll go with mine.
Don't give me the scissors until you've given me instruction.
I'm sorry.
Once again, teacher's problem, your problem. You can't trust me.
I can't trust you. So
I'm going to make this work.
You can just drizzle it. Well, you can have your own. Don't mess up mine. So you can just drizzle this on. And if it's the pink, then you can just add that food coloring to it.
Yeah.
And if you're lucky enough to have a good friend next to you, like you do,
I know.
Okay, then well, that is really a lot of frosting, Brooke. You need lots of sprinkles.
I feel judged.
No judgment.
I feel judged.
No judgment. And then you can just put that on top.
Okay.
So you want to do it while the frosting's still enough that it will. And I love how this is my idea, then I didn't do it.
Oh, yeah,
If you put it on there,
Jeff's
then it just falls down.
Look, Jeff's giving us the side eye. Like, thanks for the sprinkle confetti.
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. That's
anyway,
a great
so that
idea.
works. Okay.
Yeah.
So we did this on our Instagram and step by step, and we had one of the comments that was made, because you know there's always comments.
Always.
Too sweet. Too sweet.
Okay.
Okay, so I came up with another idea that you can do.
Okay.
So I used either the Texas rolls or the dinner rolls, and then you can just, as you can see right there, do the same shape, cut it in half, and roll it out, and then do your seasonings. I brushed it with butter, I did Parmesan cheese, and salad supreme. So then you have a sweet, kind of a sweet idea, but you also have a savory that you can do like with spaghetti dinner instead of breadsticks.
To your spaghetti noodles as you smooch and come together eating your pasta.
Well, maybe.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure.
So anyway, I love that you can do those.
That's
Texas
a great
or dinner rolls,
variation.
Easy to do.
Yes.
So sweet and savory.
Do you think we should send my cinnamon roll to that commenter and say Happy Valentine's Day?
You could do that.
Here's a roll with here's some frosting with a side of cinnamon roll.
Well, and that is really extra sweet.
I love that you gave us the savory option too.
Yes.
So two great, easy bread ideas, side ideas to show some love at the breakfast, dinner, or treat table at your house. And you mentioned your Instagram. Is that a good place for ideas like this?
Yeah, you can go there, and you can also go on our website, rhodesbaconserve.com, and then there's lots of ideas for Valentine's that you can do. We have a simple heart shape that you can just clip the roll and flatten it, and we've got pizza, heart-shaped pizza.
Love.
I mean, lots of fun.
Love. See what I did there?
Okay, I did see what you
I've
did there.
learned, now that Heidi's been on Studio 5, I'm going to run to my grocery store and get those so that I'm stocked up for Valentine's Day, because the idea now is spreading. Thank you, Heidi. Thank you so much.